Landlords have a lot on their plates. There's ensuring repairs are done, routine maintenance is conducted, and your tenants are happy. You have to make sure your rent is paid on time, recurring fees are accounted for, and common spaces are well maintained. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Andrew Chung with DoorLoop. Today we're diving into the Georgia Residential Lease Agreement. As a property owner, it's crucial to have a well-crafted lease agreement that protects both you and your tenants while adhering to federal and state laws. In this video, we'll walk you through the key elements you need to include in your lease agreement and share some valuable tips to make the process easier. Let's get started. Now, one thing you shouldn't have to worry about is creating a lease agreement from scratch. DoorLoop's innovative lease builder can help you create the perfect lease agreement that can be customized to your liking. But before we get into the specifics, let's go over what information should be included in every standard Georgia residential lease agreement. To ensure a comprehensive and legally sound lease agreement, here are the key details you need to include: Georgia landlord and tenant details, monthly rent amount and security deposit, late fees and rent increases, mandatory disclosures, warranty of habitability, utilities and how they will be shared, and information about lease termination and the eviction process. According to rental laws, Georgia landlords must make certain disclosures in the lease contract. Here is a summary of these disclosures. The landlord's personal details provides your name, address, and contact information for legal notices. Lead-based paint disclosure. If your rental property was built before 1978, you must disclose potential risks of exposure to lead-based paint. Flooding disclosure. If the property has been flooded 3 times in the last 5 years, disclose any flooding hazards associated with the lease. Pre-existing defects. Before receiving the security deposit, present a list of any flaws or damages found within the rental property. Death or disease. Disclose if a person died on the premises or if there was a person afflicted with a communicable disease staying there. The location of the security deposit. If the security deposit is placed in an escrow account, notify the tenant of the account's location. This must be included in the rental agreement. Now that you know what to include, let's talk about different options for creating your Georgia residential lease agreement. Option 1 is to use a free form that you can print and complete. However, these forms offer limited customization. Option 2 is to use a free Georgia rental agreement builder, such as the one offered by eForms. While this provides more flexibility, it may not cover all the details you need. But if you're looking for a comprehensive solution that streamlines the entire process, DoorLoop's Lease Builder is the way to go. DoorLoop's Lease Builder is an innovative tool designed explicitly for landlords and property owners like you. With DoorLoop, you can create professional lease agreements that can be customized to your liking. One of the standout features of DoorLoop is the e-signature functionality. With just a few clicks, your tenants can sign the lease electronically, saving you time and hassle. DoorLoop also offers reusable lease templates that autofill with each tenant's information, making the process even more efficient. In addition, DoorLoop integrates with top listing platforms like Zillow, Trulia, HotPads, and Apartments.com, allowing you to attract tenants on autopilot. And with the integration with TransUnion, you can screen your prospects in seconds to ensure you're bringing in reliable tenants. DoorLoop is not just a lease builder, it's a comprehensive property management solution. From receiving rental applications to conducting credit checks, DoorLoop streamlines the entire process from start to finish. If you'd like to learn more about DoorLoop's features or see how it can benefit your property management business, schedule a demo today. Click on the link in the description below for more information. Now, before we get to some frequently asked questions, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. And here are some frequently asked questions. Question number 1 is, are there different types of lease agreements? The answer is yes. There are several different agreements, including the Georgia Commercial Lease Agreement, the Georgia Sublease Agreement, the Georgia Standard Residential Lease, and the Georgia Roommate Agreement. Question number 2 is, how are disputes handled in Georgia? Many conflicts between tenants and landlords worth up to $15,000 can be handled in Georgia's small claims court. Evictions are included in this category, and there is no apparent statute of limitations in these matters. Now, if you want, you can enlist the help of licensed attorneys, though this is not mandatory when taking these cases to small claims court. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.